Hey guys, here we are with a 12 by 12 scrapbook page, and I am losing my voice, or I have lost it, one of the two, so please excuse me. I'm sorry. It's odd that I would pick to do a voiceover this week when I lose my voice. Anywho, this is kind of using up my scraps to the side there from this paper pad that I am determined to get rid of. I can't have but maybe 10 sheets left in it, so I'm super excited about that. However, this is the first video I have like pieced together. I did like 3 minutes here because I didn't realize dinner was ready, almost ready when I started it. And anyway, I'm hoping it goes seamlessly. So this first part is pretty much all me. Well, hopefully you won't know it's just the first part, but you probably will. It's me layering, and this is just kind of some of those cards that you get in this 12 by 12 paper pads that you can cut apart. I didn't really see needing the quotes on them so much, but as you can see, I'm layering it to where pardon me. It looks good, but you don't see the words so much. So yeah, I am almost done with this paper pad. Woohoo! And this main sheet in the back there with it's like a calendar. I thought this was cute because the title was Never Stop Loving, and then basically ever. Oh yeah, you guys can see the flip over. Anyway, because the calendar's there and it's endless basically. So I probably will be the only one to catch that. So I'm so sorry, guys. If I knew how to just do music, I would. I am not there yet, though. So I do kind of try and make the picture pop a little more, because I did realize that it was kind of blending, so to speak. Not blending, but it just, your eye didn't have anywhere to differentiate that Never Stop Loving card from the rest of the background. So I did pop out a few of my little word stickers and who's and what's, and I guess at this point I'm just embellishing, which I realize those white and black stickers aren't going to work because they blend too much. And I do pause you guys to put on some sequins. If you can see over to the left there, I've got some of my sequins out there, because I saw a video the other day and I was like, oh my gosh, I haven't used sequins in forever. What the heck am I doing? And I tried to keep, and it's crazy because I don't know why Citrus Twist matches these colors so well, but they do. So I did try to keep, the kind of like light turquoise and light yellow and light pinkish reddish tones. And if I'm not mistaken, if you ever watch Inky Quill, she always says if your picture is not of good quality, I guess you could say, you put it in black and white, and that helps. And that's what I did with this picture, because it was not of the best quality, and I did actually have a time, because I printed it on my selfie, and I was having a time fitting it in the border. So I didn't cut Michael's face off. That is the way the picture was, so I just went with it. Yeah, I just throw some, the regular suspects down. Some word stickers, tiny word stickers. Throw some sequins, and I'm actually pretty proud of myself for attempting to do the get the layout done, but not all at the same time. I thought it actually turned out pretty okay. But it's not over embellished, I think. I don't want to say that, and then you guys are like, girl, that is over embellished. But this is about it. I put on some of those big black sequins. I think those are like 8mm. Some of those tiny little silver stars, and some iridescent, white iridescent, if that makes any sense, sequins. So, and some of those red red glitter hearts. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so very sorry for my voice. I'm not in any pain though, so that's good. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. And, oh, I did add that washi tape too. But, you guys have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. And, I do have a Facebook page, New Creation Studio. Go check me out. I do post, some pictures of, like, different projects I'm working on over there. So, you guys have a great weekend.